you will learn about the standard form of polynomial. What is the standard form of polynomial? Suppose I write here algebraic expression or a polynomial 3x raised to power 2 minus 2x plus 5x raised to power 3 minus 6x raised to power 4 and plus 1. Here terms are 5. When we write any polynomial in decreasing order degree wise, first highest degree is this. So first of all we will write this term. Second term we will write this 5x raised to power 3. Now next is plus 3x raised to power 2. Next is minus 2x and plus 1. We write this polynomial decreasing order degree wise. Here degree is 4. Degree, power or exponent is the same. You can say x raised to power 4, x exponent 4, or degree of this x is 4. Here power of variable it is 4, now it is 3, it is 2, it is 1 and it is 0. Then this polynomial is in standard form. When we write any polynomial in decreasing order degree wise, then the polynomial is in standard form. And degree of this polynomial, it is standard form. Standard form, we can write standard form. And degree of this polynomial, highest degree is 4, then we can write degree of polynomial is 4. Suppose you have to write p raised to power minus 4, p raised to power 2 minus 3. To write this product in standard form, first of all you will find out the product of binomial with binomial. First term of this binomial p raised to power 2, we will multiply p raised to power 2 minus 3. Second term minus 4, we will multiply second binomial. Now we will use distributive property. P raised to power 2 multiply by p raised to power 2. Basis same, power will be added. Now next plus multiply with minus 3. Product will be negative. 3 p raised to power 2. Now minus 4 multiply with p square minus 4 p raised to power 2. Minus 4 multiply with minus 3. Minus multiply by minus, product will be positive. 4 3s are 12. Now these are like terms. Now you have to solve these like terms. First term will be same, p raised to power 4. Minus 3 and minus 4 both are negative. In addition we will add and we will put the sign negative. 7p raised to power 2 and plus 12. Standard form. We have to write this algebraic expression in degree wise decreasing order. P raised to power 4 minus 7p raised to power 2 plus 12. It is the standard form. And degree of polynomial, highest degree is 4, then degree of polynomial is 4. I hope the standard form of polynomial will be clear to you. Thank you.